So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to change Spectrum TV language from Spanish to English. App box setting fix. So change language inside Spectrum TV app. Open Spectrum TV app, go to setting, go to account, look for language or audio and language setting. Select English, save changes. If we are using a Zumo box for Spectrum on Zumo's devices, language is controlled by system setting. Go to System, open System Management, select Region and Language, tap System Language. Choose English, restart the box. If only channels are in Spanish, so while watching a channel, press OK up a button. Go to Audio Setting, select Primary Language, then English. Turn off SAP Secondary Audio Program. Fourth one is if it still stays in Spanish. Restart the Zumo box, unplug 30 seconds and check TV language setting. Press home menu button on the remote, go to setting, look for one of these menus, depend on device, system, device preference, journal and language and region. Select language setting, choose English or United States or English UK. Press OK, select or save. Some TVs apply changes automatically. Reopen Spectrum app. Thank you.